To send money to an inmate with Western Union, follow these steps. First, gather the necessary information, including the inmate's name and inmate number, the correctional facility's name and address, and your own personal and payment details. Next, find a Western Union location near you, either online or in person. You can use their website or mobile app to locate an agent. Alternatively, you can visit a participating retail store such as a grocery store or pharmacy that offers Western Union services. Once you have found a location, proceed to send the money. Provide the Western Union agent with the inmate's information, the correctional facility's information, and the amount you wish to send. You will also need to provide your own identification and payment method, such as cash or a debit card. Western Union will then provide you with a receipt and a tracking number, also known as an MTCN. Keep this tracking number safe, as it will be used to verify the transaction. The inmate will typically receive the funds within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the correctional facility's policies. It is essential to note that each correctional facility has its own rules and regulations regarding inmate money transfers. Some may have specific forms or procedures that must be followed, while others may have limits on the amount of money that can be sent. Be sure to check with the correctional facility before sending money to ensure you are following their guidelines. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with sending money through Western Union. These fees will vary depending on the amount you are sending and the location you are sending from. It is crucial to understand these fees before initiating the transfer. By following these steps and being aware of the necessary information and potential fees, you can successfully send money to an inmate using Western Union. Remember to always verify the information and follow the correctional facility's guidelines to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.